What's up everybody? Welcome back to the neighbor's kitchen. Today's video, we're doing another crock pot meal with just a couple of ingredients. It's quick, easy, and affordable. It reheats well, refrigerates well. Perfect for the kids having all sorts of summer vacation activities. Perfect for a family who can't always eat at the same time together. So check this out. You're gonna love this. Let's get cooking. All right, so this recipe comes from my childhood. Mom used to make this all the time. I'm one of three boys, and between school functions and church functions and Boy Scouts and sports and friendships and everything, this was just a great meal. It was easy. It was her go-to. We'd snack on it, eat on it whenever we could if we couldn't all sit down together at the dinner table. So I'm happy to share it with you today. This comes together really quick. So first, let's just talk about the ingredients. So I like to use these petite potatoes because it saves time. I don't even cut these. They just go right in the pot. It uses smoked sausage, a little bit of onion, green beans, your favorite kind of broth. I like beef broth for this, and a packet of onion soup ready dip mix. Now, I am making a double batch today. If you have a smaller crock pot, well, I'll actually in the description below, I'll put the recipe for a single batch, but I'm doing a double today. I got a busy week ahead of me, though I have not have a family of my own yet. This is also great if you're just one person. Great kind of meal prep kind of crock potting. So let's get going. So these are allegedly pre-washed, and I'm going to cut down even more time and believe it. And actually, to be honest with you, I don't think I can do a double batch in this crock pot. So let's just start with a single. For our green beans, I'm using trimmed and washed, ready to enjoy. Alternatively, use canned, frozen, or fresh. That's cool. I'm gonna get one of these out. And for added flavor, you want to cut it first. And I'm just gonna cut it into chunks about that thick, okay? And in we go. This is highly customizable. I think I'm actually going to customize it right here in front of you. And we're gonna do a double meat. What's going on here? This thing said it was easy open. And let's get this guy cut up. Okay. I really thought that I could fit a double batch in this crock pot, but I was mistaken. So we're almost there. Let me show you how I like to prepare my onion for this. So I don't like diced onion in this recipe. So we just cut it from pole to pole. And then I cut the poles off. Right like so. Take the outer peel off. And have it like that, and then I quarter it. And I try to just put them in like that. Once again. And now that's it. No measuring spices. we just go right on top. We're using this Kettle and Fire beef broth today because, well, the packaging caught my eye, and here we go. And then we're just going to put that in. Sorry for the bad camera angle there. You guys don't need to see my watch. Okay. And now it's easy. That's it. I don't even stir it initially. I wait for it to I wait for it to get all the way heated up before I stir it. That's it. That couldn't have been more than 5 minutes. I don't know, I'll figure out with the video.
4 minutes and 51 seconds.
But so I'm gonna set this at a low heat.
That's high heat for 3 to 4 hours.
For 3 to 4 hours, and it'll be perfect. So I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up, and I'll see you back in a.
Well, I was a little distracted recording this video, so we're trying a new style outro today. Check this dinner out. I had this together in under 5 minutes. It was all under $25. It has easy cleanup and storage, and best yet, it is absolutely delicious. This is a well-rounded meal that checks all the boxes. It's got protein and vegetables and some good carbs to fill you up and satisfy you. The use of the soup mix packet packs flavor into this recipe and keeps things super simple. Top it off with your favorite shredded cheese or any garnish like chives, green onions, or parsley if you want. You gotta try this at home. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. Until next time, be well.